Pinay 6 ang 10 miles ng Yapon. 1 hour 44 minutes. Nasa around 7 hours and 15 per hour. 16-kilometer runners. That's approaching 9 minutes per kilometer at your pace. Meron din po tayong timer for the 20 runners. Ano na yan? Around 7.5 minutes per kilometer for our 10-kilometer runners. And around 6 minutes per kilometer for our 5K runners. You can take photos here by the stage if you'd like after finishing. And of course, proceed to our activity area afterwards. Let's go, runners! Let's go!
Guys, dito na tayo. 16 kilometers. Ang cute ng kanilang medal.
Alright, look to the camera.
Ang laki eh. Ang bigat ng kanilang medal. 16 kilometers. Grabe tao.
Alright, there you go. Let's give them a big round of applause. Thank you so much. And again, thank you to our dear executive for helping us award.
Thank you.
Ang dami. Sobrang dami ng tao.
Our 10 miles top finisher.
Here we go.
Grabe, nakaya natin 16 kilometers.
Once again,
Grabe.
just like to remind everyone that we are awarding our podium finishers, and we'll start, of course, with the specialty distance of Yakult
300,000. 300,000 na tao yung tumakbo na yun.
16-kilometer race.
Yes, and we had 3 waves, no? The biggest group we had here today. And grabe, we are so excited to see na padami ang 16K runners natin.
Yes, but before that, we'd also like to acknowledge those people that made this event possible. So right now, may I call up on stage our Yakult executives to come join us for a group photo op. Once again, calling the
Team Yakult, let's go, Team
Let's
Yakult!
go, Team Yakult. Join us, please.
Right, game. Honor is yours to name drop and call the whole team. Kita mo yung competitive spirits nilang lahat.
Actually, kanina, I was in the start of like 3K pa lang. I got to interview some kids. Tapos, I asked, oh, is this just a children? They were like, no,
Ano yung medal mo na? Pakita mo yung medal.
Wow.
Ilang kilometers tinakbo?
He was a bit
Zero.
tall, pero
I was just collecting toys. Maybe he has a record today.
16 kilometers ang tinakbo.
We have the 10K list with us right now.
Here we go. Let's begin with our third placer.
Uwi na.
With a total run time of 54 minutes.
Thank you very much guys sa lahat ng nanonood sa aking premiere.
Pagkita ko, intention lang madali.
Team Good. Morning po. Alam mo, kayo pala sa so, team thank you so much. Bye. Yay! Finish! Finish na! Uwi na, finish na.
She is the first place finisher of our 10K.
Bye everyone!
Now can we have everyone on the podium?
Finish na tayo, finish. Bye! Salamat sa support sa akin. Pangat Bornibol always. Good vibes. Bye!
We have Ellen Villar of the Rosmato and Jennifer Padanian.
Bye-bye!
Let's give a big round of applause.
Palakpan po natin. And now we proceed on to our 10